Hello everyone, let's start a new video on VSTS Sprint channel and I'll talk about on Sprint 138, and this feature is check installed software on Microsoft hosted agent pools. Of course, I will see respective installed software on my image on hosted agents. When click here on this is a new build definition here. This build definition have agent pools, and I will have here hosted 2017 image, and I will click on pool information and verify all installed software. Example, click here on pool, and I have my image, and I have Chocolate, Docker Compose, etc. Visual Studio Enterprise, and example, I click here and copy all installed softwares. Example, okay. Copy, click on Notepad, paste, and an example I will find SQL Server Data Tools. Okay, and I have this version 2017, and example I will create a respective deck pack, and I will deploy this deck pack on my database. Example. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.